Greetings everyone. In this video, we will see about few basic management practices done at Pig Breeding Unit PGRAS Kattupakam. I am B. Tamilarasan, BVM 17112 Madras Veterinary College, along with A. Charumadi, BVN 17073 VCRA Namakkal, J. Solam King, BVN 17066 VCRA Namakkal, Shobika S. BVO 17070 VCRA Varthanadu will be presenting this video. We offer a sincere thanks to Dr. Murugan, PhD Professor and Head of the Unit, Dr. Karthikeyan, PhD Assistant Professor, Dr. Kaidiravan, MVSc Farm Manager. In India, there are many livestock farming sectors. Among these, pig farming is considered to be a lucrative sector that provides avenues of shift economic progress for new entrepreneurs in socio-economically weaker sections due to its high fecundity rate, better feed conversion efficiency, early maturity, short generation interval, and minimal investment of housing and equipments. Apart from being rare through free-range management, pig farming has also boomed as a semi-commercial industry with intensive farming methods. It is one of the most common and desired industry in developed countries and is gaining momentum in developing countries like India. As per 2019 census, total pig population is 9.06 million, which is a 12.03% reduction over previous census 2012, that is 10.29 million. India holds 5th place in pig population worldwide. And in India, Assam has highest pig population, that is 2 million. A better and profitable farm is the one that holds their basic foundation stronger. So by perfecting the basic managements, one can make a sustainable and progressive profit in the piggery industry. Following will be the detailed insight of 3 important farm managements that pave way for successful and profitable farm practice. They are feeding management, breeding management, and piglet management.
Newborn piglet up to 2 weeks of age is fed with mother's milk. After 2 weeks to 2 months, piglets are fed with a creep feed of about 500 gram per animal with a protein percent of 22. At a grower stage, that is 2 to 4 months, animals are fed with concentrate 1 kg per animal, which contains a protein percent of about 18. At a finisher stage, that is 4 to 8 months, animals are fed with a concentrate 1.5 kg per animal with a protein percent of 16. Adult animals are fed with a concentrate 2.5 kg per animal in case of females, and in case of males 1.5 kg per animal with a protein percent of 13 to 14. Pig rearing based on commercial pig feed is not economical, and hence feeding based on swill is recommended. On an average, pig requires 4 to 8 kg swill per day.
Average daily intake of water for pig is about 2.2 to 4.2 liters. Pigs need to maintain these water levels by consuming water in their feed or by drinking water. Average age at which the swine attains puberty is 6 to 7 months. A gilt usually bred at 8 to 9 months of age when it attains a body weight of 80 to 90 kg, and boar usually bred at 1 to 1.5 years of age. The important characteristics which need to be considered in developing a good piggery unit are size of litters, strength and vigor of litter, milking ability, feed efficiency and weight gain of progeny, longevity, fertility, and freedom from genetical and anatomical defects. The length of estrus cycle is about 19 to 23 days, average of 21 days, and duration of estrus is about 2 to 3 days. Successful swine breeding and high conception rate depends on the ability to identify the sow or gilt in heat. The heat signs are swelling and reddening of vulva, mucus discharge from vulva, mounting over other animals, and reduced appetite. The appropriate time for detection of heat is morning and early evening through heat signs and riding test. Ovulation occurs at 16 to 48 hours after the onset of estrus. So, mating should be done at 10 to 12 hours before ovulation. Hence, gilt should be coupled at first day of heat and sow should be coupled at second day of heat with a sex ratio of 1:10. Flushing is practiced from 2 weeks before until 1 week after mating. Gestation period in case of swine is 114 days, which is 3 months, 3 weeks and 3 days. Pregnancy is diagnosed by cessation of heat and through rectal examination, in which uterine artery can be felt after 45 days of mating, and through detection of blood estrogen and progesterone level at 20 to 30 days post mating, and through ultrasonography from 20 days onwards after mating. The sow should be shifted to furrowing style 7 to 10 days before the expected date of furrowing, where it is equipped with furrowing crate. Parturition signs include restlessness, teat becomes prominent, teats filled with colostrum, blood tinged fluid from vulva, expulsion of meconium from vulva, twitching of tail, frequent urination and defecation. Total furrowing time is 2 to 4 hours. Average time interval between two births is 15 to 20 minutes, and the placenta will be shed within 2 hours after the birth of last piglet. The average litter size at birth is 10 to 12, and the average litter weight is about 12 to 14 kg.
Clean piglets of all mucus, especially from mouth and nostrils, to ensure normal breathing. To prevent navel ill, the navel cord should be tied off to prevent loss of blood, and it should be cut 3 to 5 cm distal to the ligation, and this portion should be dipped in a solution of 2% iodine. Weak piglets and orphan piglets are raised on cow milk or sow milk replacer, and orphan piglets are raised on adaptation by a foster sow. Average birth weight of a piglet is 1.2 to 1.3 kg. Initially, piglets are identified by ear notching, in which each notch represents certain number like 1, 2, 5 and 4. Preferably within 24 hours after birth, for the 4 pairs of needle teeth should be removed to prevent injury to udder while suckling. To prevent piglet anemia, iron supplement like iron dextran injection is given at dose of 1 ml per animal on day 4 and 14th after birth. Guardrail is used to prevent the mortality of piglet from crushing of sow until weaning. Creep area is an isolated compartment exclusively for feeding of piglets from 2 weeks to 2 months.